everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a deep step-by-step look at a platform called Bitiloc. Now listen carefully, this is not a get-rich-quick video. This is a full walkthrough designed especially for people who are new to online investment platforms or simply want to understand how everything actually works before making any decision. I'll explain every single section, every dashboard, and every feature you're seeing on screen, slowly, clearly, and honestly. By the end of this video, you decide whether this platform fits your goals or not. So, let's start from the beginning. Right now, we're on the Bitiloc homepage. The first thing you notice is the modern, futuristic design. Dark theme, clean layout, and strong visuals focused on AI, automation, and finance. The main message is very clear. Accelerate your wealth with reliable investment strategies. What I personally like here is that the platform doesn't overload you with technical jargon. Instead, it speaks directly to beginners. Simple language, clear call to action buttons, make investment, how it works. This tells me Bitiloc is designed for users who may not be financial experts, and that's actually a good thing. Here, we arrive at one of the most important sections, investment plans. You can see that Bitiloc offers multiple plans, each designed for different budgets and risk levels. Let's break this down in a very simple way. Each plan shows minimum and maximum investment, daily return percentage, investment duration, withdrawal availability, auto-renew options. This kind of transparency is important because you can compare plans before committing, and you're not forced into a single option. Again, no pressure, just choices. Once logged in, this is your personal dashboard. Think of this page as your command center. Here, you can instantly see main wallet balance, profit wallet balance, total deposits, total investments, total profit, bonuses, and referrals. Everything is visual, colorful, and easy to read, even if this is your first time using a platform like this. From a user experience perspective, this is very beginner-friendly. This page shows all your transactions. Why is this important? Because transparency matters. You can see transaction ID, type, deposit, bonus or profit, amount, status, success or pending, date and time. If you're the type of person who wants clear records, this section gives peace of mind. Now let's talk about adding money. Here you can see multiple payment methods, including cryptocurrency gateways, USDT, TRC20 and BEP20, Binance Transfer, and other supported options. What I like here is clear breakdown of fees, conversion rate shown, and final payable amount displayed before confirmation. No hidden surprises, at least visually. This feature allows you to move funds between your profit wallet and main wallet. Why does this matter? Because many platforms lock profits. Here, you can manage where your money sits before reinvesting, withdrawing, or holding balance. This gives users more flexibility. This is another critical section. The withdraw page is simple. Select withdraw account, enter amount, confirm. No confusing steps, no unnecessary buttons. Now always remember, withdrawals depend on platform rules, plan conditions, and processing times. That's normal for any investment platform. Here's something interesting. Bitiloc uses a ranking and badge system based on referral volume, activity level, and investment engagement. Ranks like starter, builder, partner, executive, ambassador. This is clearly designed to encourage community growth, not just passive users. But again, this is optional. You don't have to focus on referrals if that's not your style. This page shows your referral link and referral tree. You can track who joined, see referral bonuses, monitor referral profits. This is useful only if you enjoy sharing platforms and building networks. If not, you can simply ignore it. Finally, we have the rewards system. Here, you earn reward points, redeemable bonuses, and activity-based incentives. This adds a gamification layer to the platform, making it more engaging for long-term users. So, what do I honestly think? Bitiloc appears to be well-designed, beginner-friendly, feature-rich, and transparent in layout. However, and this is important, no online investment platform is risk-free. My advice is always start small, understand the system, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you're curious, explore it. If you're cautious, observe it. And if it's not for you, that's completely fine. If this video helped you understand Bitiloc better, hit the like button. Subscribe for more honest platform reviews. And as always, stay smart with your money. See you in the next one.